Welcome to another video in our series Commissioning of a variTRON system. My name is Manfred Schleicher. I work at JUMO as a technical trainer, and today I will introduce you to the hardware I used while creating the video series. Let's get started. Here you can see the box containing the modules I'm using for the project. The box contains the CPU, the I/O modules and the web panel. The CPU used is variTRON 500, which is connected to Ethernet. The connection is made from this port via the web panel. The web panel functions as a switch and has several RG45 sockets. The variTRON 500 is connected to one of these sockets. The connection to the network is made via another socket on the web panel. The CPU is supplied with 24 volt DC. The I/O modules used automatically receive the voltage from the CPU via their arrangement. The modules with digital outputs are an exception. These must be supplied separately with 24 volt. Due to their arrangement, the I/O modules are connected to the CPU via the system bus. The first I/O module next to the variTRON 500 is the controller module. This is a 4-channel controller that offers you 2 analog universal inputs, 2 digital inputs and 2 relay outputs with its standard hardware. You can also order the controller module so that it offers logic outputs instead of 2 relay outputs. You also have 3 slots here, in which you can retrofit boards to create analog outputs and additional analog inputs, for example. There are many other options available in terms of electronic boards. The next module offers you 4 analog inputs and 1 digital input. These are universal inputs to which you can connect RTD temperature probes and thermocouples, for example. The inputs can also process current and voltage signals. You can connect 8 RTD temperature probes in 2-wire technology to the next unit. This module also offers you a digital input. This component has 4 analog outputs. You can output any signals from the system with, for example, 4 to 20 mA or 0 to 10 volt. You can freely select the signal sources and scale them as required. This module offers you 12 digital channels, each of which you can use as a digital input or digital output. This allows you to determine the status of limit switches or control solenoid valves, for example. As already mentioned, you must supply the module separately with 24 volt. This also applies to the next component. The module also provides you with digital channels. Part of the hardware is fixed, giving you 17 digital outputs at all times. Cards with 5 digital inputs or 5 digital outputs are also available for the module. You can place these in the slots. This module has 4 relays with changeover contacts. You can freely select the sources and thus output any binary signals via the contacts. The web panel provided offers you a browser that calls up the CODESYS visualization in the CPU. During the video series, you will quickly see that you can also call up the visualization using a browser on a PC.